KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like another day ahead of typical summer weather, hot and humid conditions with the threat of afternoon storms. A little bit drier Thursday, Friday ahead of a little bit of a disturbance that's heading for the Gulf of Mexico. That should bring a little bit of in the way of weather to the area. It's not going to be a high-end system. We'll talk a little bit more about that coming up in just a bit. First off, though, Darius Johnson getting us a nice time lapse here. You can see towering cumulus clouds building this afternoon, and this is the typical summer weather pattern. And then we get the showers and storms with that daytime heating. But most of us relatively dry. Today was about a 30% type of day, and we'll go with the same again tomorrow, and then bring rain chances down Thursday and Friday. So let's take a look at the graphics. And looking at the upper level pattern, we have still this upper low down in South Texas. It's gotten more moisture, and it's helping to shuttle moisture northward, along with a ridge of high pressure that was here yesterday. That has kind of moved up inland this afternoon, and that's been fighting some of the shower and thunder showers that would try to develop over toward eastern Louisiana. Eventually, this feature weakens. This feature moves in ahead of a tropical wave that'll be coming in, so that's why rain chances after tomorrow go down. We'll see more sunshine and even hotter temperatures again for Thursday and Friday. On the radar satellite composite across the area, you can see the clouds and kind of a nice little sea breeze front moving inland, producing those scattered showers and thunder showers. They're already beginning to weaken, especially across the northern parishes. It has certainly quieted down in Evangeline Parish, but still seeing some locally heavy downpours. A nice little thunderstorm here. We can hear the lightning all the way over in Lafayette, the thunder rather, all the way over in Lafayette. And again, this cell north of rain moving through the Castile area, and look out Church Point. You're going to get a nice downpour, gusty winds, and some cloud to ground lightning. Be careful with that lightning out there. Should be a short-lived storm, and everything should dissipate as we lose the daytime heating. And then a little bit of a shower running up right along Highway 90, 182 near the Franklin area. That shower should diminish in the next hour or so as well. So we have some tropical moisture, but it's disorganized across the Gulf of Mexico associated with the upper low. There's another upper level low over here by the Bahamas and Cuba, and east of that, a tropical wave that the National Hurricane Center is giving about a 30% chance of development once it passes the Florida Peninsula, gets into the eastern Gulf of Mexico, but not expecting a big high-end threat with this, but it could add to the rain chances across the northern Gulf Coast, including Louisiana and Acadiana, and allow for breezier conditions offshore this weekend as well. Elsewhere in the tropics, we do have another tropical wave. This one's fading and on the way out. One coming off the African coastline, disorganized, but the model's capturing that and favor development pretty much beyond the 5-day period. Right now, just a 20% chance, but as this system gets closer to the Caribbean, there could be trouble down the line. More on that system in just a bit. First, though, we'll be tracking this deep tropical moisture coming in with the tropical wave and the upper low that's going to be down over here. That moisture begins to move into Louisiana as we head into Sunday afternoon. That's when we'll see increased rain chances, and that continues into Monday and more than likely Tuesday. And then we'll be watching perhaps a more organized system by the Caribbean, especially getting north of the Caribbean as we go 7 to 10 days down the road. But again, we're talking 10 days out, a long ways to go. But as we look at the operational European model succinctly, as we get into Thursday, Friday, you see it's dry here. Here comes that tropical wave. Weak low pressure develops somewhere along here. We'll give it a question mark. Could become a tropical depression, but it will shoot more moisture this way and eventually better rain chances as well down the line. And then beyond that, we'll be watching perhaps for a more significant, impactful tropical system somewhere near the Caribbean down that part of the road. In the near term, though, we're going to be quiet overnight tonight. Tomorrow, we do it all over again with the risk of afternoon showers and thunder showers, primarily late afternoon, early evening. Then things quiet down again tomorrow evening. So showers ending early this evening, warm and humid tonight, 74 the low tomorrow, 93 the high, with your rain chance in the 30% range, no higher than that. And as we head into Thursday and Friday, plenty of sunshine, low rain chances. Those low rain chances, though, perk up by Sunday and continue Monday, Tuesday of next week, and that'll keep us hopefully closer to the upper 80s and maybe some locally heavy downpours, but not overly concerned with that system heading in the Gulf for right now. But we'll keep an eye on it. Got to watch everything this time of year.
Sure do. Thanks, Rob.